Number 1. What is quantitative research?
Quantitative research is the go-to approach for scientific inquiry because of its ability to test hypotheses. It deals with numerals in how it can describe a phenomenon or infer a relationship.
Number 2. What are the characteristics of quantitative research?
There are four characteristics of quantitative research. These are controllability, generalizability, objectivity, and replicability. Controllability is to understand a specific relationship or phenomenon. Generalizability, it is from larger sample sizes that the results are based on as are representative of the population. Objectivity, the results of the data are observable and measurable using structured instruments. And replicability, the research studies should be replicable by other teams of researchers.
Number 3. Discuss the strands of quantitative research.
The strengths of quantitative research are analysis of data is assisted with statistical methods. These are mathematical tools in which numbers can be processed to become more meaningful. Next is large-scale research can be undertaken. This allows researchers to make a more comprehensive and generalizable conclusion for the entire population. And lastly, they can be presented in a graphical or tabular form. Other than statistical analysis, researchers can analyze data using graphical or tabular representations.
Number 4. Discuss the weaknesses of quantitative research.
The weaknesses of quantitative research are a large sample size requires a lot of time and effort. These requirements increase the cost of research, and its time frame becomes longer. Next is statistical analysis of data requires an expert to perform. Poor knowledge or inadequate skills in statistics might negatively affect the outcome of a study. And lastly, quantifying and reducing observations to just pieces of numerical values makes it too simplistic.
Number 5. How do the characteristics of quantitative research differ from those of qualitative research?
Quantitative research focuses on numeric and unchanging data and detail, convergent reasoning rather than divergent reasoning, while qualitative research is concerned with cases rather than variables and understanding differences rather than calculating the mean of responses.
Number 6. How can quantitative research generalize an entire population?
For quantitative research to be generalizable to a larger population, a probability sampling method must be used. Simple random sampling in which the people to be studied are selected from the complete sampling frame only by chance.
Number 7. How do the strands of quantitative research complement the weaknesses of qualitative research?
Qualitative research demands flexibility so that you may react to user data as it rises during a session. But quantitative research necessitates standardizing data gathering to enable statistical comparison.